this little ceiling fan, mini ceiling fan. I don't know, like, who's the manufacturer. I'll show you one of the, like, blades from the old fan. If anyone can read this. But I actually bought it from eBay for $20. This replaced the old one. Nothing happened to it, just one of the blades cracked. And they basically got a whole new fan. But the other fan is actually gonna go to my sister. This old fan up there. So it's actually installed over my bed. And now I'm gonna turn it off for you guys. It has a slight wobble, and I think that's why it's making a noise. You see it has red tape up there to keep it from wobbling uncontrollably. And it's actually installed on the swag hook that I recommend for mini ceiling fans. And then we staple to the cord to the wall with the staple gun. And then we patched up the old hole that was, you see if it's out there next to the swag hook. Like right here, that's where like the old hole was, and we plugged it up. So now I'm gonna turn it off. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Brown. You should actually turn this back on. So I'm sorry I didn't get it. This would look like spinning. These spin down really quick. Really quick. So they're like what they look like from the outside of the window. Wish I could see that one all the way up there. There's one to there. You can see that one better. And this one's actually spinning down here. It's actually not spinning down, it's on low. And there's the other ones across the courtyard. One's behind that tree. And somewhere there's the other one. I see it. Wondering about the logo? I think I'm gonna go over here. But it has the E. I can get it really good. It has the E in the center. And then like the logo's on the outside. I realized I messed up. I meant to say E out on the outside of the circle, like on the outer ring of the circle, with the logo Emerson actually written on it too. So pretty much this is what I'm saying. That's what it looks like up close.